tap it, instantly stops, and tap it again, the gate is now closing, and you will see that go from open to closed. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a new product. It's a Remotio, and this is a smart gate controller, and it also comes with a sensor. Big thank you to Remotio for sending this out to me, and I can't wait to try this on the gate. This is to make your gate smart. Basically, it's a small little box, this control box, and it should stick right in the inside of my Ghost Controls gate controller. And it looks like it comes with a variety of different wires. So this is the power input, red and black, pretty simple. This looks like the input to the gate controller, 2 wires, and this is the the gate open sensor. So it's got that should get wired in back to the box, and then it's got this little stick-on sensor right here. And how that works is it should just right there, it should say the gate's closed, and whenever the gate starts to open, it'll separate those 2 sensors, and then it'll tell me the gate's open right from my cell phone. So anywhere in the world that I have internet access, that's really nice feature to be able to tell if my gate's open or closed. So right now, the only thing that I got to open or close the gate is the Ghost Controls remote. First step is to remove this screw. You take that screw out, you have access to all these pins right here. And let's see what we need to hook up. So number 3, so that'll be that, so we won't have to hook up the power. We will have to hook this up. This is what's gonna be to the control box for the gate. So this are the 2 wires that hooks from this control box to my gate controller. So let's go off of what they say. So number 2, so you're gonna need a little eyeglass screwdriver Phillips like this to be able to undo these 2 screws. So those 2 right there. So the key is to get these wires as far in as you can, right there, and then screw that screw down. And give the wire a little tug so you know it's not going anywhere. Don't over tighten these, but just tight enough where it's in there, it's not going nowhere, and the insulation, it's not on the insulation, it's actually on the terminal. So snug them up. All right, that should be good. And the status sensor right there, that is this, but I will be hooking this up later because I still got to run the wire for this one. So first off, I need to get this hooked up to my gate. I should be using that power input and those 2, and then I should be good to go. So the first test right there, I've just got everything, the boxes and everything off, and you can see it says connected to the device, and also says closed. I've got the sensors just temporarily taped right here. So I'm gonna click that button. Hopefully this sensor gets far enough away from this sensor for it to say open. Yep. There it says open right there, and the gate is opening. Just wanted to make sure the setup was going to work. Set this up, try it out, and I'll give a full review and an update on it, how well it's working. So anyways, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because we got a whole lot more coming. If you enjoy welding, I'm going to be welding a full bumper up, it's an off-road 1/4 inch thick. I think the center support is 1/4 inch solid steel, so it's going to be very heavy. Gonna be a lot of welding. I'm so excited about this. This is a brand new product from Ghost for 2020. They just came out with this, so I haven't seen very many reviews on this thing, so I can't not wait to try this out. You don't have to run, you don't have to dig a trench all the way back to your control panel, and you can put this I think up to 100 feet away from your gate. And this is a vehicle sensor, so you drive up, your gate automatically opens. really nice. Can't wait. Dark that thing is right there, and let's see if it fits. So it does have that adjustment right there, and it's got some Titans, but it had really good reviews on Amazon, so right off the bat it does fit my head very well. I think this will work. Check this out. Got a fig tree, and this is a turkey fig. This is supposed to be some of that mosquito plant. I just clipped, I got a big plant on the porch, and I clipped 3 branches off, and I just stuck them in the ground, and they're already growing. And this is garlic right here. It looks like it needs some water. And then these are, or this one plant, this is blackberry, and this stuff grows so fast. It's really easy to grow. You just cut a piece off and stick it in the ground, water it every day, and it grows really good. And these are the tomatoes.